Okay, here's another tip for you. Let's have a chat about wooden floors and laminate floors. What better product than Think Smarter's HOCL? The little difference here is when you're looking at wooden floors and laminate, you may potentially have grooves in the floor. So take the product, spray the HOCL, give it a good spray. Now, a simple cloth, not anything harsh. Wipe it down, get into those grooves. This is really key because you don't want the wood or the laminate to warp. And once it's done, you have this incredible, beautiful shine that's also disinfected and ready for the day ahead. What's better than using Think Smarter's HOCL products for cleaning the floor?